So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your subscriptions on Instagram easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. Once you've entered Instagram, go to your profile, then go to settings and archive. Now here scroll down until you find an option orders and payment. So after you have entered orders and payments, you will see multiple options like payment methods, subscriptions, contact info, security and help and support. Just head towards subscriptions. So in subscriptions, here you will see all the subscriptions that you have bought on Instagram. So here I haven't bought any subscription, so it shows no subscriptions and gives a description. You don't have any active subscriptions. And that's it. That's how you can check your subscriptions on Instagram easily. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.